what a work instruction is. If you're curious about what is the difference between a work instruction and a procedure, I have answered for that in another video in this channel, worth watching. I'm Danielle, and I'm here to help anyone who's not in the quality field to understand how you can advance your career using quality methods. So, what a work instruction is? A work instruction is simply a documentation of a process. However, the emphasis in a work instruction is on the how to do and not just what to do, because the process outcome is affected by the level of precision of the process execution. If the execution is not precise, the outcome will not be as required. The uniqueness of the work instruction is in the level of preciseness. Therefore, a work instruction must detail down even the tiniest steps. The exact milliliters of liquid to be added, the mixing time exactly 7 minutes, and even the type of container that say must be a glass and not plastic. These small steps, these small details are affecting the process outcome. For example, when testing a car, the brakes must be tested properly. If the test is not performed, using a device applies a certain force to move the vehicle, we won't be able to determine whether the brakes are functioning properly. I assume you wouldn't want to discover this on your way home at the traffic light when the brakes are not responding as strong as you expected. For more about processes or work instructions, simply go to easyiso.com website to the downloadables page.